Hey friends, welcome back. So in today's show, we're going to review the Pluck Spice Blend that contains nutrient-dense organ extracts from grass-fed, grass-finished animals. You get liver, kidney, heart, spleen, pancreas, all in a blend that has real salt. I've been sneaking this into my daughter's lunches and breakfasts and dinners, and she absolutely loves it. And it would be really hard to get organ meats into her diet. We've tried liver. What do you think of liver? She does not like it. And she knows when liver's in there, but she doesn't know when I put the Pluck spices in. In fact, she's like, Dad, can you put more of these spices in? So I'm just really impressed with this product. Below is an affiliate link, full disclosure, but I'm very impressed with what James is doing over at Pluck. There's 3 different options. He has an original one. I think it's probably fine. I've used it a couple times, but I actually love the all-purpose blend as well as the lemon zest blend or zesty garlic blend. This tastes phenomenal. So going back and forth, we've been going through packages of these and she loves it. Anytime my friends come over, if they're even a little vegan, vegetarian, I do tell them there are some organ meats in the spices, but people are like, what is that taste? Why does this taste so good? They're getting grass-fed, grass-finished liver, getting spleen, getting heart, pancreas, all of that, as well as kidney. But if you're wondering which one to buy, if you're not familiar with this, and again, if you're trying to get more organ meats in your diet, but don't want to be swallowing tons and tons of capsules and all that, I would go with the all-purpose. We use this pretty much in eggs. You like a lot of lamb, rice, what else? Beef dishes. So again, way healthier than any school lunch, a Lunchable or the fish sticks. I mean, I don't even know what they're offering at school. We make her lunch here at home. But she definitely likes it and notices it. And I just feel a lot better that my daughter's able to get some of the grass-fed organ meats in her diet because otherwise she knows that it's in there. I've tried to blend up liver. If I get out the meat grinder and put in liver with ground beef, sometimes she doesn't know, but it has a distinct taste. And so this is sort of masked with the spices and with the salt. And again, it tastes phenomenal. So definitely check it out. Links will be below. I think your family and your guests that you have over the summer will particularly enjoy this. And especially if someone has been a vegan or vegetarian or doesn't eat organ meats because they don't like the taste, it literally takes no time. You don't have to desiccate things in capsules or whatever. You pour it onto your dishes that you're already cooking. It can be vegetables. It can be mushrooms. It can be ground beef. In her case, we do a lot of lamb. She likes the fatty nature of lamb with some soaked and sprouted rice. And that's a go-to staple for her diet, for her lunches, in a thermos, in metal. And she likes it. So anything else you would like to add to this video? Why are you so talkative today?
Why are you talking British?
British? I didn't say water. I just said... Anyway, friends, check out the link in the description below. James is an awesome guy from Portland, Oregon, an amazing product. And I'm telling you, we go through at least 1 or 2 packages a week because we're just using it in a lot of different items and have noticed benefits. And especially my friends who have been vegan or vegetarian are starting to feel better, more energetic and all that. So I think there's really something to this. I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and we'll catch you in a future episode down the road.